Hello everyone and welcome back to our tutorial. Today we're going to continue on Canva, which is free Photoshop. So let's get started. So before we learn how to use document really, and we had only that. So we just previewed something like um, such as documents, whiteboard, video, but we're going to get on deeper on these two today. So let's get started. So before we did document, so this time we'll do whiteboard. Click on it. When you go inside, you'll see this empty space, which you can move by dragging, zooming in and out. So I will tell you the movement now. Press Ctrl and zoom and use scroll wheels, and it will let you zoom in and zoom out. And without control, only scroll wheels will make you move up and down. Shift and then scrolling will make you go left and right. Such an easy control, same as the Photoshop. So let's start. So when you open this menu, as you see this menu, when you open it, first we're going to talk about templates. So for the templates, there's lots of templates such as we'll see right here: floor plan, white, poster, mind map, family tree, table, and there's a lots of it. So we're going to be starting with some floor plan. So floor plan, when you click on it, it'll take you to this place, and you can just choose anything you want. I think I like this one. And then it'll bring these things, and just click any place out of this selected things, and it'll show you like this. I will use Ctrl zoom in to move it, and there's lots of things written, so you can just look around, quick look around. And if you just want to do it without this Control and Shift, you can just press on the wheel scroll and move it. So let's see. Use your knowledge about scales to plan your dream bedroom. Make the best of the space to fit 5 pieces of furniture of your choice. So in the right, there's lots of resources which you can use. So let's start. So I'm going to delete all these things by selecting it or pressing this delete button. And then this one also delete button, delete button. And I guess I'm done with this now. And then there's lots of things such as resources. First, I'm going to bring this sofa and place it like here. So this is making you get used to these things. So you can scale this by selecting it, and each corners have these little dots, and you can drag this each corner to move it, to enlarge it. And if you bring this stair like this, enlarge it, and you want to rotate it, you can press this one, which makes you rotate, I think. And you can press shift to resize and rotate at the same time. This much is enough. I'll put it right here. And then you can also bring such things as these bushes, scale it, and then pressing on little dots. You can do anything you want. First, I'm going to make this right here, and then dot, and then I will copy it once more. Right click and paste. Allow. They ask for www.canva.com wants to see text and images copied to the clipboard. Let's allow this, and it will let you paste it. Okay, I think this is good, and I want to do something more. Pressing more, and you can also copy styles, but we don't have any styles right now, so it will be useless. And without copy and pasting, you can directly duplicate it like this. And if without clicking just this one, you can just right click on the image. So let me use comment first, which makes you easier to co-work with your operators. So I will make it here. Maybe need to remove this. And then there will be also mention someone, so you can mention your friends, or you can add an emoji like this, and you can even add a sticker, a big sticker such as this one. And if you comment, and there's also assigned to you, and you can check it and it'll be assigned to you at both. And look, it'll show you like this. And when I click resolve, you can say I've solved this one, I finished what you meant. So I press resolve and I can delete it. This is easy, right? And then I'll bring maybe this, let me see, tile. I think this one is tile. I'll make it fit, resize it, right click, and then I will this time lock, which makes it non-movable. You can't move it anymore. And you can also right click on something and you can press link, which lets you link. So I will bring some IKEA sofa link. Wait for me. So I have this sofa link. I'll copy this link, Ctrl C, and now I come into a link, Ctrl V, and then done. So then when you click on this one, you will be directly taken to this. You can just edit link, and you can delete this, and you have lots of things. Invasion for end of party, best works, GLTC Canva. This will lead you to the projects you were working on, but I don't really need it, so I will just press ESC. And this was how to use this one. So let me right click again, and this time you'll see this layer. Layer is useful when you have these kinds of things and you want to make this front, this one back. You can right click on it and then you can press layer and then bring forward, bring to front, send to backward, send to back. So bring forward will make this image come to front for one layer only. So if there's multiple layers, it will come out one by one. But if you press bring to front, it will directly bring everything. It will just pass everything and it will be come to the very front. And send backward will be same, just send back when it's less multiple layers. It will only send one layer back, and send to back will send back all the way, so it'll be the last one. So you can also be show layers, which shows layers like this. You can directly drag these little 6 dots to move how it will look. So if I, as you see, I have this bed. If I bring it above this bed, it will be above. If I put this sofa here and I bring sofa upward more than this things, and it'll come up like this. This one is how to use it really quickly, and let's go for the next one. So first I will look for another one there so that there's more text. I just want some more text where there's more text. So I think this one is good. So you can press on it and it'll come like this. And let's see, sticky notes, you can bring it like this. And let's start. So arrays. Yesterday's accomplished, I will change to yesterday works done. So as you see, this one has lots of different styles. I can right click here and I can copy style, or Ctrl Alt C, copy style, and I can press on the thing and boom, it will be directly changed. Well, everything changed. I don't like this, so I will Ctrl Z and I'll fix it right here. So if you see upward, there'll be lots of things such as color of the um, table. If it's in the table, it exists, and such as border, how the border will look. Table spacing, if you increase this, the tables will be spaced a lot. And font such as Arimo, DM Sans, wedges, holiday. I like wedges. Yes, it looks great. And font size, I want this to be a little bigger, or you can just click on these numbers to change it directly faster. You can also change the text color, such as I want this to be slightly gray, so like this. And you can also make it bold, but it depends on the font you have. So if I have the font as DM Sans, it has a bold, so it will work. But I want wedges, so I will use wedges. And you also have italics, which makes it a little bit slightly turned, like this. You also have an underline, which underlines the words. Strike through, which makes a line in between the words. Also uppercase, which change all the letters to uppercase, but this depends on the fonts also, so I will change it to DM Sans, and you'll see it changes directly. You also have an alignment, whether to make it left aligned or just free aligned, right aligned, or middle aligned. So I like middle. You also have a bullets like circle bullet, list bullet, and then number bullets and no bullets. There's also spacing between the lines, which letter spacing, which makes the space of the letters more, line spacing, which increases the space of the lines. I will just set to this one to 0. A letter spacing, I want this to be a little bit, oh sorry, it was 1 I guess, and 2 maybe, 1.5, I forgot it, the original. Yes, 1.5 was correct. Letter spacing, I will move it a little bit. And you can also change the vertical alignment like this, but it doesn't matter right now. So it only matters when there's line spacings a lot. 0.5 again. Okay, done. And there's also position, which changes the position, same as the layers before, but we don't need it right now. And also there's transparency, which changes the transparency of the table. This works only in the table. There's also paste style, we did it before. Lock, which makes it non-movable. Easy, right? You can press unlock to unlock this. And boom, there we go. So, and I've been wondering, I want to add some colors to this one. You can just right click on the image, and you can directly press apply color to the page. So then this color, this theme color, will be added to all the pages. If I do this, it feels like this. So as you see, this person has a yellow, brown, and yellow again. So yellow, brown, and yellow. So this can be useful when you have some things like this and you want to make the colors of that. It will be really useful, which can make the themes like this. But this will work if it's not an image like this. It has its own theme from the Canva. We also have something called detach image, which brings the image out of this thing if it is inside this one. Easy, right? So let's right click again and look at the next one. And that's all. And there's also translate text, which translates all the text into something like this. I have a text, translate page, select language, I think Afrikaans, Arabic, maybe Arabic will be good, professional, translate page, translate. It takes a few minutes or a few seconds as follow to the amount of things you have right here, but it takes few seconds for me and you see that it changed to Arabic, and I don't know what it really is because I don't know how to speak Arabic well. I will just Ctrl Z and bring it back. You see how this works, huh? And let's go to elements now. So elements are the things you can add. So you have sticky notes right here, right? You can also add sticky notes by dragging them into here. So you can resize them, write a letter for yourself or to other persons, or just decorative. You also have things like shapes, square, round square, and also this arrows, circle, triangle, dotted, and reverse triangle, rhombus, like this diamond shape. And you can see all if you want. There's tons of shapes you can use, so it will be really useful when you're creating some arts. This also have an AI image generator. Let's try it out. AI image generator. Let me use green, sticky, person writing on person, drone, green, sticky notes. So it will be filmic and landscape, maybe generate image. And it take few minutes or few hours, no, few seconds or few minutes, follow to your size of the image. So I've got some nice 4 images. I'll bring all of them, and it looks perfect. So I said draw an image of the person in the screen sticky notes, and it drew perfect. I like it. I'll just leave this one and leave it others. And you can also generate the graphic using it. So let me use 3D Chrome of the heart, generate graphics, and you can directly generate heart Chrome of the 3D Chrome of the heart. Easy, right? So it can be really helpful when you don't have any image or other things to use. So I've got a nice hard Chrome. Let me bring it. I like this one. Bring it, and it will be PNG file format, and you can use it like here directly. It's pretty cool, right? There's also videos you can create, but it's right now on beta. I don't know how long it will be take, but let me try it. Person running and the space to generate video, and it should be ready in 1 or 2 minutes, so let me wait. And here we go, we've got nice video. Let me check. Let's see how we brought it. It isn't really nice. It isn't really moving now. Maybe there's some problem. Let me check again. Yes, I think because this is still on beta, it isn't really working. No problem, we still got nice things. So let's go back to elements, and there's also whiteboard graphics, which can be only used in this whiteboard, such as the stickers like this, or the graphics such as these emotes. We also have some photos stocks here. You can directly change it when, if you hover over this one, it will be changed. So I have this one and I want to change it, and I can bring it like this. And also here, if I bring this image to here, you can change it, and you can do as much as you want. There's also video you can bring here inside. There's an audio you can bring, but you can just drop it anywhere you want. And other things such as frames. These frames you can add these images, put the images back, and these mockups will bring some things like this phones, and put your image in, and it'll work properly. A few minutes or a few seconds like this. And there's also a collection such as this one. If you just need it, Also bring this things such as this one in the collections, and that's all. And you also have an add page which adds a new page. You can also do things here like this. I'll bring this layer front, and then you can just swap this between these pages. You also have a notes to write your notes. I love GLTC tutorials. You also have a timer which calculates the timer, and that's all. You also have a grid view, but this won't be used really much. You can add a page, duplicate page, or hide page like this, or delete page like this. If you have three options, you can duplicate or lock or notes like this. Okay, so to go back, press this close grid view, and you can also full screen if you want, but I don't really like this one. And you can use this to explain to someone, and the music comes out, right? This is the music I added before. So let's go to the next one, which is create a design and video. And we are going to use this for a long time maybe, and if you learn Premiere Pro but you don't have the application now, you can use this. So before it was Mother's Day. Let me use Mother's Day. Oh, because it's a premium video I can't use it. Let me bring this one and take few minutes. Dear mom, I love you, mom. Oh no, oh lovely mom. And you can increase these edges if it doesn't fit. You know how to align, right? Shift, and then I will scale this up a little bit. I will press edges to move it. I like this. I think this one is okay. Let me start it. I think we need some. Let me bring all the templates. You can apply all 7 pages, and if you press apply all 7 pages, it will add all the templates, or you can just bring one by one if you want. Okay, let me add this in front, so you have to bring it slightly in front, and it'll be like this. Let me start from here. 5, 4. So you have to apply all 7 pages if you want again, so this will work properly then. But I want to bring it one by one because it harms other things. 2, 1, 0, play. Let me try it out from here. Yes, I think we need something right here, which is a little bit of sorting. You can just press on any page, and you can drag the edge right here to shorten it. You can also press this one and add another new page, duplicate page, delete page, hide page, lock page so it doesn't move, or add a transition. Let's add a transition. So when it changes, it'll add a transition. Let me see. I like this one, so I'll play this. Duration, I think a little bit shorter is good. Let's start. And you can always change this by clicking on this little icon. You can always change this. Okay, and then let's go to some styles, and you don't have styles right now, so let's go for element. And always you can add an element to the video even. So let's say I have this image, and I'm going to add some lovely thing. So let's go for some heart maybe. We don't have heart, so search for element heart, and then I can bring this. Let me use this graphic. Dear mom at the end, and frames like this. I'll bring this frame, and let me bring an image, maybe video like this one. You can put it inside. It looks cool, right? Heart inside heart inside heart. And you can also bring the music, and I want to bring it here, and I have another music which is original of this, and I can bring this a little bit longer until here, shorter this until here. We bring it up, either like this, a little bit shorter. I want to make sure that they fit each other, but it is not that really easy. So just let's add a transition if we can. Oh, sorry. So press these three dots. You can always copy, paste, duplicate track, delete track, or you can adjust even. So let me adjust. So then you can move between things to choose which part of the music you want to play. Press play if you're done. This again, let me see. Audio effect, you can choose fade in or fade out time, such as fade in will be a little bit slightly and fade out will be a little bit more. So you can even adjust, right click and bit sync, which makes the sync completely same, but this is premium thing, so I can use it. And let me use volume, which changes the volume. Let me use this, apply to all tracks, and it apply to even this and this one. And then this one is okay, this one again, and split audio, which splits the audio into two, but I don't really want this, so I'm just going to adjust thing, and I think that's okay. Let me watch this video until the end. Oh, I love this so much. I love how it looks. So let me go to text now. So I have some I need some video that has no text. So I think this one, and then I will drag this at the heading. Thank you for, or thank you always. Always. I'll scale this up. Let me use magic writing, which continue writing, shorten writing, improve writing, change voice. You can add a voice even, fix spelling, custom prompts. So I will just continue writing, try it out. So you'll do again, and this will take a few seconds or a few minutes, come as long as your video text is long or short maybe. And it continues this, and I don't like it, so I will just delete it, and just let's try again. So let me bring some font combination, not this one, maybe this one. I will delete this, and mom, thank you. This one looks pretty nice. Maybe we can say this is nice, right? And then let me go to brand. Brand can be a thing you can use if you have a premium, so you can use it. So before we learned how to use Omlot, right? So Omlot can Omlot files, or you can bring the AI images you used before, and I have this. I will just Omlot file by myself. No, instead I can bring some image. I think this image, a cute fox, bring it right here, like this much. And you can also replace background, right clicking, and you can directly replace the background. So I think this much is enough. And let's go to draw. Draw tool can draw things. So I want to draw some thing like this for my mom. I want add some outline for this, change the color. And I want to add last color for this one. I like it. I want to add some highlighter here. I don't like it, so just let's leave it, and let's use pen to draw some blue hearts, red hearts, pink hearts, and last, not black, green hearts maybe. I like it, and you can use this tool to move your drawings like this, and the settings to change the width or like that of the pen, but I don't need it now. So you can even bring the projects here like this. Let me bring this one, maybe add as a new page, then it'll add a new page of the template, and you can still change it right here like this. This can be useful when you want to explain something. And let's check on the apps. So apps are the things that helps you while you are using your things. I can't really do. So one of the most popular thing is Meta. So Meta Design Check tells you how to make it fit to the Instagram, Facebook, like that, to the applications of Meta. So we don't really need this now. So maybe we need subtitles. No, we don't have voice. Let's try FrameMaker. Open, and after a few seconds you'll be taken to this place, and you can drag the edges like here to add some. And I want to add some point, double click, add, double click, add, double click, add, double click, add, add. Okay, like this. Maybe this one looks good. Then I add to design, then it'll be added to your design, and you can bring it right here. And if I have some elements, let me bring some this image, I can bring it, and as you see, it works perfect as the things. Let me check on other apps, it'll be added here. So there's lots of trending things, such as turning black and white to the colors, turning images into pixel artwork, add depth to your image so image will be more realistic. So Glippy gives you access to millions of GIFs, which gives us GIFs. Let me use this. Let me try this. So this will let me use some GIFs. Let me use this GIF. Let me see if it goes fit. No, it doesn't fit, I think. Yes, it fits. So you can use this easily. And let me see on the other apps. It also has QR code, image upscaler, colorize, Google Drive, mockups, YouTube. Maybe YouTube will be useful. Open, and you can bring some of the images, Parents Day and Mother's Day. So you can bring this image also, and pre-Samir. I don't like this. So you can use as much as you want. So check on other things if you want. There's also AI powered things, and such as sketch to live. If I sketch something, it will turn to realistic. So let me use this looks good. So I want to draw a lion. I hope this guy detects my lion. So the body here, foot here. Oh, it's awful, but this is just a drawing. Oh, I did some mistake, but no problem. So discard my sketch. Lion. I want this to be green. Small. Baby. Angel maybe. Let me add a wing here. It doesn't seem it's like a wing, but who cares? Generate, and it'll also take few seconds to generate image. I love this. And as you see, few seconds finished, and we've got a nice image of the green thing. Haha, I like this. Let me try more. I know. Let me try more apps. So how about AI voiceover? So turn your text into AI voice. So let me use the speaker. Abby, I think goal is good. Speed deferred, page deferred. Mom, thank you for teaching, feeding, loving, caring for me. I'll be a great sailorman one day, and make you happy. Generate voiceover. Ow. So I have to connect my account. So I will just connect my account. So I've connected and generate voiceover. So you can generate 500 characters only. So it isn't really much, but still okay. So let me hear it.
Mom, thank you for
Oh.
teaching, feeding, loving, caring for me. I'll great sailorman one day and make you happy.
Ow, I wrote I'll's great salesman, so it should be I'll be, but no problem still, it's good. So let's see the whole video maybe now. So it will be kinda long, like 1 minute, but I hope this is enough to watch.
Mom, thank you for teaching, feeding, loving, caring for me. I'll great sailorman one day and make you happy.
Here we go. We've got some nice project, right? So what is now? It's time for review. So today we didn't do so much like before. We only did how to create whiteboard, which you can make things like this. We learn how to work with the images, or how to resize imagery, how to rotate image, how to move in the whiteboard, how to work with text, and we came to the video editing, and we learned how to add a transition, how to resize image, how to add an effect, how to draw in an image. So this was all the things we'll learn today, and I hope we can see back in the last lesson, which is Canva again. So thank you and see you in the next video. Bye bye.